7th Standard Science, Term 3, Unit 3, Polymer Chemistry. இந்த லெசனோட புக் பேக் ஆன்சர்ஸ் பார்க்கலாம். நம்ம சேனல் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் பார்க்குறவங்க லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். இப்போ லெசனை பார்க்கலாம். First Roman letter, choose the correct answer. First one, the first man-made fiber is dash. Answer option C, rayon. Second one, which of the following is the strongest? Option B, answer nylon. Third one, when you place a natural fiber in a flame it dash. Answer option B, burns. Fourth one, a synthetic fiber which has similar properties to wool is dash. Option C, answer acrylic. Fifth one, a good application of plastic is the use of dash. Option A, answer blood bags. Sixth one, dash is a non-biodegradable material. Option B, answer a plastic bottle. Seventh one, PET is the acronym for dash. Option C, answer polyethylene terephthalate. Second Roman letter, fill in the blanks. First one, dash is an example of polyester fabric. Answer raincoat. Second one, resin coats are used to identify different types of plastics. Answer resin coats. Third one, a dash is a long chain made up of many repeated small units called monomers. Answer polymer. Fourth one, a natural fiber is called dash, plant fiber. Fifth one, a natural fiber obtained by boiling cocoons is called dash. Answer silk. Third Roman letter, say true or false. First one, a lot of plastic pollutes our environment. Answer true. Second one, refuse, avoid is the best way to manage plastics. Answer true. Third one, it is good to wear clothes made of synthetic fibers while cooking. The statement is false. Correct statement, it is good to wear clothes made of natural fibers while cooking. Fourth one, degradable plastic break down into tiny pieces called microplastics. And the statement is true. Fifth one, cotton is a natural polymer. The statement is true. Fourth Roman letter, match the following. Answer, first one, nylon fiber. Second one, PVC, thermoplastic. Third one, bakelite thermolasting plastic. Fourth one, Teflon, non-stick cookwares. Fifth one, rayon, wood pulp. Fifth Roman letter, arrange in correct sequence. First one, mix water, starch, vinegar and glycerin in a cooking pot. Second one, let the article cool for 24 hours before we use it. Third one, shape material to form a cup or bowl. Fourth one, continuously mix on medium heat until the liquid turns clear. Fifth point, when the liquid begins to bubble, it is ready to be taken off the stove. Sixth one, spread the gel onto aluminium foil and cool. Answer, first point, mix water, starch, vinegar and glycerin into a cooking pot. Then fourth point, continuously mix on medium heat until the liquid turns clear. Fifth point, when the liquid begins to bubble, it is ready to be taken off the stove. Sixth point, spread the gel onto a aluminium foil and cool. Third one, shape material to form a cup or bowl. Then second point, let the article cool for 24 hours before we use it. Sixth Roman letter, analogy. First point, cotton, natural, polyester, synthetic. Second one, PLA spoon, compostable, plastic spoon, disposable. Third one, nylon, melts on heating, silk, burns on heating. Seventh Roman letter, assertion and reason. First one, assertion. Vegetable peels buried in the soil disappear within 2 days. Reason, vegetable peels are compostable. Answer, both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Second one, assassin. It takes a very long time for nylon cloths to break down into the microfiber, but cotton cloths need only 6 months to decompose. Reason, nylon made out of petrochemicals is not biodegradable and cotton cloth is biodegradable. Answer option A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Third one, assassin. It is good to avoid plastics. Reason, plastic ends up polluting the environment. Answer option A. Both the A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Eighth Roman letter, crossword. Across. First one, fiber that is used as synthetic wool. Second one, plastic used for making water bottles. Third one, a long chain made of small repeating monomers. Fourth point, another name for this semi-synthetic fiber is artificial silk. Next one is down. Fifth one, a type of fiber that is naturally obtained from a cocoons. Sixth one, a synthetic fiber classified as polyesters. Seventh point, a polymer used for making rope. The tabular column எழுதிக்கங்க. Ninth Roman letter, very short answer. First question, what is the chemical name of the polymers that make up cotton? Answer, cellulose. Second question, what gives plastic different qualities and characteristics? Answer, different chemicals, additives are added to plastic to give them various qualities and characteristics. Third question, it is not advisable to burn plastic and synthetic fiber. Why? Answer, burning of plastic and synthetic fiber is not a good solution as we end up wasting non-renewable resources and produce super toxic chemicals that are difficult to store or dispose safely. Fourth question, a bucket made of plastic does not rust like a bucket made of iron. Why? Answer, first point, the reason is due to their chemical composition. Second point, the bucket is made of plastic which does not react with oxygen and humidity present in air. Third point, while the iron reacts with oxygen, air corrodes to form rust. Fifth question, why is it better to avoid the use of plastic products? Answer, first point, plastic do not decompose by natural processes and action of bacteria and are therefore not biodegradable. Second point, a lot of the plastic produced globally is designed to be used only once and thrown away, creating a large amount of plastic waste. Third point, plastic waste ends up being recycled, incinerated, then landfilled, dumped or ends up littering our environment. Fourth point, so it is better to avoid the use of plastic products. Sixth question, give two examples of thermosetting plastics. Answer, bakelite, then melamine. Then seventh question, what is the 5R principle? Answer, plastic disposal is the 5R principle. Refuse, reduce, reuse, recycle and recover is called as the 5 principle. 10th Roman letter, short answer. First question, what does the term biodegradable means? Answer, a material that gets decomposed through a natural process and action by bacteria is called biodegradable. Second question, what kind of fabric is suitable to dress up and play in the summer? First point, in summer it is better to wear clothes that is made out of cotton materials rather than synthetic. Second point, this is because most synthetic fibers absorb very little moisture and do not allow air circulation, making them hot and uncomfortable to wear. Third question, how do plastics impact animals and the environment? First point, answer, the increase in the use of plastics, particularly the one-time use and throw away plastics, has serious impacts on the environment, animals and our health. Second point, we have seen garbage dumps with different plastics. One big problem with plastics is that they do not decompose or biodegrade. Then third point, this lead to large amount of waste that will not disappear and end up accumulating and polluting the environment. Fourth point, many animals confuse plastic for food and eat it by accident. When leftover food is thrown away, it is often packed in the plastic. Animals smell the leftover food and eat the plastic by accident. 11th Roman letter, long answer. First question, list the advantages and disadvantages of synthetic fiber. Answer, advantages and disadvantages of synthetic fiber. Advantages of synthetic fiber. First point, do not wrinkle easily and they keep their color and brightness for a much longer time than natural fibers such as cotton. Second question, using synthetic fibers such as nylon is that they are stronger than many natural fibers such as silk or wool. Third point, these fibers are strong and elastic which gives in the properties to bounce. Disadvantages of synthetic fibers. First point, synthetic fibers such as polyester is that they are not heat resistant and catch fire easily. Then second point, most synthetic fibers absorb very little moisture and do not allow air circulation, making them hard and uncomfortable to wear. Third point, synthetic fibers are made out of petrochemicals and last in the environment for very long time. It breaks down into very small pieces called microplastic, which cause pollution to soil and water bodies such as rivers, lakes and oceans. Second question, suggest safe method of disposing plastics. Answer, refuse, avoid. First point, the best thing to do is to avoid using plastic products. Second point, one time use throw away plastics can often be avoided. Next one, the reducing the amount of plastic we use is important. Then reuse. If possible, products made of plastics can be used again and again. Then recycle. First point. Recycle. First point. It is better to recycle plastic waste. Second point, separating plastic waste based on the reason code and making sure it gets recycled is good as it turns waste material into something new. Then third point, then it will not be thrown away in landfills, open dumps or ending up as a litter in the environment. Next one, recover, compost and incinerate. Then solid waste can be converted into resources such as electricity and compost through thermal and biological means. 12th Roman letter, hearts. First question, the Tamil Nadu government has banned the use of one-time use throw away plastic. Why do you think this is important? Answer, it is important to reduce the negative consequence of plastics on the environment. Second question, a plastic bag dumped into the soil stays without breaking down for 500 years. If a new generation starts in every 30 years, how many generations would it take to see the plastic bag finally broken down? Answer, it would take 16 to 17 generations to see the plastic bag finally broken down. 13th Roman letter, fill in the blanks. The fill in the blanks answers copy பண்ணிக்கங்க. Second point, look at the following picture and explain what is happening. Answer, a lot of one-time use plastics such as polythene bags and food packaging that are thrown away are responsible for littering the environment and clogging drains. Then standing water breeds mosquitoes that can spread disease such as malaria, dengue and chikungunya and also lead to flooding. Third point, read the following information and convert them into a graph to compare the countries that the amount of plastic they use. China contributes the highest share, that is around 28% of the total plastic used globally. Indonesia use 10%. Both the Philippines and Vietnam use 6% each. Thailand uses 3.2%. Then Egypt 3%. Nigeria 2.7%. South Africa 2%. Then answer in the name the name of the countries. They are using the plastics. This is the percentage